Big dreams. Hello, friends. Everyone has a dream, right? But how much effort are you really putting into making those dreams come true? Today, I'm here to show you how hard work can lead you to your goals. Let me start with a short story. There was a boy named Ali who lived in a small village. His biggest dream was to become a doctor one day. But Ali didn't have enough books or a teacher to guide him. Yet, Ali never gave up. He worked in the fields during the day and studied by candlelight at night. One day, he topped his university exams. Today, he's a successful doctor helping people in his village. What's stopping you from being like Ali? If you have a dream, now is the time to chase it. Why should we study? Sometimes we all feel like studying is hard. But think about how the effort you put in now will pay off in the future. If you have a goal, you can't achieve it just by dreaming. If you don't work now, you won't be where you want to be tomorrow. Ask yourself this question: where do I see myself in 5 years? If you know the answer, that's your biggest motivation. Small steps toward success. Remember, big achievements start with small steps. Learning at least one thing every day will bring you closer to your dreams. For example, solve a math problem today. Write a paragraph tomorrow. The next day, teach a topic you've learned to a friend. This way, you not only strengthen your knowledge but also enjoy the process of learning. Small steps make a big difference. Life-changing advice. 1. Make your own study plan and stick to it. 2. Don't be afraid to tackle challenging topics, they make you stronger. 3. Dream big, but take action to turn those dreams into reality. The harder you work today, the happier you'll be tomorrow. Because success comes from discipline and determination. Take action. Take the first step to study today. Right now is the perfect time to learn something new. Because life doesn't wait for those who procrastinate. Be like Ali, write your own story, and take action to achieve your dreams.